Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with ClickUp, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a ClickUp account if you don't have one already. Visit the ClickUp website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and choose a password to set up your account. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the Spaces section to organize your projects effectively. Create a new space dedicated to your investment activities. Label the space clearly for easy identification. Click on the Add Folder option within your space. Name the folder based on different investment categories, like stocks or real estate. Inside the folder, create lists for specific investments or asset classes. Use ClickUp's custom fields to track relevant data for each investment. Input important details such as initial amount, current value, and growth percentage. Set due dates for important milestones, like re-evaluating your investments. Utilize the comments section to add notes or updates on your investments. Explore ClickUp's integrations for financial tools you already use. Connect apps like Google Sheets or financial tracking software for seamless data flow. Make use of ClickUp's reporting features to analyze your investment performance. Regularly review your dashboard to monitor your progress towards investment goals. Adjust your strategies based on performance insights gathered from ClickUp. Stay organized and proactive by keeping your investment space updated. Use reminders to ensure you stay on top of your investment activities. Engage with team members or advisors directly within ClickUp for collaborative insights. Leverage ClickUp's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Continue learning and adapting your investment approach as you gain experience. Remember to revisit and refine your ClickUp setup as your investment portfolio evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.